Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Cherelle and today I have a very special treat for you. This is my all-time carnival favorite and I did not leave without grabbing me a sweet deep fried cake dusted with powdered sugar. You got it. I am making a funnel cake today and I'm going to share with you a simple, quick, easy recipe that your family will love. So let's get right into it. Before we begin, you want to make sure that you have a pan deep enough to fry your funnel cake in. I'm going to heat my oil to 375 and maintain this temperature while I prepare the batter. For the ingredients, you need 1.5 cup of complete buttermilk pancake mix. I prefer Aunt Jemima. I like the way it tastes. Your preference is your own. Next, you will need 3 tablespoons of white sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, a pinch of salt, 3/4 cup of water, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. If you need to add more water, please do so. At this point, I'm going to mix all of my ingredients together. My batter should be the consistency of cake batter, not too thin or too thick, and then it should also form ribbons as it falls back into the bowl. In order to get that funnel cake look, I purchased this from the Dollar Tree. They were a set of 3 and they all came in different sizes. This is the medium size. You want to make sure that it has a 1/4 inch opening so that your batter flows freely but smoothly. When using a funnel, make sure you cover the opening with your finger and place over the frying pan. The batter will flow smoothly, but you need to work quickly in a circular pattern. Each side will take 1 to 2 minutes to cook, and once they are golden brown, you need to transfer them to a paper towel, and from there, you can dust them with powdered sugar. And this, my cooking friends, is how you make a delicious funnel cake. Alright guys, thanks for watching today's video. Please don't forget to give this a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you tried this recipe, please leave your thoughts in the comment section below and let me know what you think. Until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye.